Snack.
Snack.
What is snack?
Pizza. Pavati.
Uh,
Art.
snack.
Sack.
Snack.
Sack.
Snack.
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 That's right. There's no vowel in between S and N. Okay, now listen to me. I just add E here. What does it become? This is snack, S-N-A-C-K, and I just add now. Yes. Yes.
Snake.
Snake. Same A here in S. It is snack, and here it has become a A. Snake. Snake.
Sack.
So how many? Sap. That's right. Yes. Snake. What is a snake? What is a snake?
Snake is animal.
No, not animal. Animal. It's called. Yes, you're right. Everything, even we are animals. Snake is a. You try and read it, okay? Now here, there's another rule. I'm teaching you. By putting an E at the end of the word, the vowel in that word is pronounced as it is, the same sound as it is called in the alphabet. In the alphabet, this is A. Because there is an E here, this will be pronounced as A only. Snake, hate, mate, take, A, E at the end.
8.
A-T-E. Okay? Remember that. So you see that E is not to be pronounced. This E indicates how the vowel is to be pronounced. For reading, maybe a person who is not that familiar with English, you will have a problem with reading so many words, pronouncing them. Isn't it? Okay? So these are some of the rules to remember. If there is an E at the end of a word, the vowel, immediate vowel, is pronounced as it is in the alphabet. Immediately I will give you this. Now here, showing it to you. How will you pronounce this word?
Reptile.
I wanted her to.
Okay.
It becomes difficult
Yeah.
to handle.
I got
Isn't it? So now here again.
I got
She has the word in her vocabulary. She is aware of that word. Reptile, which you may not be aware of. तुला माहितीच नव्हता. So, but then by looking at the spelling, can you pronounce it? If it was Marathi, even if you didn't know, you will still spell it. There is an E here. There is a, yes, when there is an E here, the vowel immediately before that is pronounced the way it is pronounced in the alphabet. How is this letter pronounced in the alphabet? I. So tile. This rule absolutely foolproof rule for pronunciation. But you must know about it. Whenever there is an E at the end of the word, the vowel is pronounced, that vowel, whatever that letter is pronounced as it is in the alphabet. Okay? Cut. Cut.
cute.
Yes. Because this is this E, cute. It is pronounced as U. The moment it is E in the alphabet, this letter is U. Q.
Cute.
Cute. Oh, you are looking cute. You are looking cute. You say that when something is looking nice. Oh, how cute. Okay, those kittens are so cute. Prisha is a cute girl. Is she?